Same like this table of unapproved comments, I can have another table with the name of approved comments, by which admin can also disapprove any comment. So I can copy this whole structure and change it for approved comments. So back to my editor. In the file of comments.php, I will copy this whole table, including the h2 tag, and paste it right after this table again. Saving this one. If I refresh my page, you can see we have two tables here. So first let's make it to approved comments, and instead of having this field of approve, we will have our field of disapprove. And for the disapprove button, we will go to this page of disapprove comments.php, and it will have a class of btn dash warning. The rest will be same. So if I save this one and refresh my page, you can see we have this button, and for the text also I have to change it. So I will make it to disapprove, and for its heading, let's make it to revert. So now if I refresh this page, you can see revert, disapprove, and here is this delete button, which is completely active. So for designing this disapprove query, I will open my page of approve comments. So first of all, in this file of approve comments.php, I'm gonna save this file as disapprove comments.php, and in this file first we will get our ID, then our SQL will be update comments and set the status to off in order to disapprove comment. And then it's completely up to you if you want to add this column of approved by, add it, or you can delete this one. I will leave it as it is. Then we will have our success message comment disapproved successfully, and the error message something went wrong. So I just made one change here. I made this one to be off, and we are on the page of disapprove comments.php. So if I save this file, first refresh this page. So if I click here to approve, you can see that comment has approved, but that comment is not showing here anymore. Why is that? So we have to check this comments page. So this was our approved comment section, and it will show us those comment that has the status of on. So if I save this now and refresh my page, you can see all of these comments here. So if I click on this Rajnikant comment to be disapprove, you can see that comment is appearing here in this tab. If I click this one disapprove, this one disapprove, this one disapprove, I can revert it back to approve, 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 and approve. So on this blog page on ID 14, you can see I have 3 comments. So if I disapprove all the comments, nothing is going on here because these comment is by Jazib Akram, Lucifer, and Amin. So I have to disapprove those comments. So disapprove Amin, disapprove comments of Lucifer, and let's not disapprove comment of Jazib Akram. So if I refresh this page, you can see only I have this comment of Jazib Akram. So this part of comment has been completed. Now we don't have to do anything with it for this comments page. So I added 2 sections in which first section is showing those comment with the status of off, and in the second section I'm showing those comment with the status of on. And in this file of disapprove comment, I'm making the status to be off. And in the file of approve comments, I'm making the status to be on. And in the delete file, delete comments, I'm deleting that comment from my table of comments with that search query parameter ID.